Morning, good afternoon, good evening to everybody from the RGR around the world. It is fantastic to see you. Satais Borsa Kangoya. I don't know what's happened, but we're here at the 27th birthday and that time has passed. And this year has been a tough one. It's difficult. COVID has affected everything, but you have all been amazing in what you've done during this year. When we did this virtual RGR birthday last year, I didn't think that we would be doing the same thing again in 2021, but we are. I know all of you have been busy with operations, with training, with everything that you have to do that keeps our regiment going. And you have done it to the highest standards, to the RGR standard, because the RGR standard is the highest standard. Now, there are still some changes coming, lots of things being talked about. We obviously delayed the unit move, and thank you to all of those people who have been affected by that change in the unit move. It has been difficult, people staying in Brunei for longer, people who thought they were going to Brunei who are staying in the UK. But thank you for your patience and for your understanding. Some great news. On Monday, we'll be joining or having the ARC Support Battalion Gurkha formally announced, which is excellent, and there's more opportunities for everybody. So I'm very pleased about that. And of course, during last year, we had the formation parade for A Company, Coriana Company 3 RGR. And since then, the B Falklands Company has also stood up. Lots of things that are uncertain about the future, but for now, those new companies are doing a fantastic job and holding the reputation of the RGR up at the top where it should be. So thank you to everybody in the RGR. You've done a great job this year. Welcome to the new company commanders that we have coming in from other regiments. Welcome to the new Gurkha Major, 1RGR, Rajesh Saab, when you're in. I can't see if you're in the room. And thank you, Lalit Saab, for everything you have done as GM 1RGR. Now I am back in the UK. I'm looking forward to seeing all of you who are here in the UK much more over the coming months. But I'm also going to try and get to Brunei, if I can, to see you. And I see GM Saab there up on the screen, and I hope that I can make it over to see you. So happy birthday, RGR, and Jai RGR.
Kan RGR Sab Sabai Sabaru Gurujiru Ani Satyaru. Happy birthday, Maile Banapacha. As General Jezza said, there's an awful lot going on in the regiment. I definitely don't want to talk about COVID. The battalion's doing exceptional work, all of our training support companies, the same, and the nurturing and mentoring that's going on at Catterick for our next generation is also fantastic. I think all the challenges that we face and the uncertainty, actually we should look on as opportunity. We've got such a strong reputation across the army, and it's off the back of everybody's combined efforts. I think the regiment is in excellent heart. I've been privileged over the last year, despite the lockdown, to be able to get around to every single location, less those in Nepal. So from our HQ to both battalions, and particular thanks personally for all of 2RGR for looking after me so well in the month out there, to our new companies in 3RGR, to Catterick, to Brecon, to Warminster, to Innsworth, and then back at Sandhurst. The palpable sense of camaraderie and team spirit is absolutely exceptional every single location. I think the real uncertainty and the undercurrent that people have coped with exceptionally well has been the situation in Nepal, and back to our wider families and friends, the constantly changing travel regulations and the impact that's had for leave of all varieties. I think people's resilience has been absolutely amazing, and it is testament to the such strong relationships that we have within the regiment and the families of the regiment and all of our regimental family. So I'd just say personally from an RHQ perspective, a huge thanks, hugely well done for everybody's individual and collective efforts. And we really hope that in the next month, certainly in the UK, the restrictions will be lifted and will be more opportunity to connect face to face. But in the interim, wish everybody a fantastic happy birthday and look forward to seeing you all soon. Jai RGR.
Right, Colonel RGR and all around the world and around the United Kingdom. A very good morning to you all from myself, the Gurkha Major RSM, and all ranks of 1RGR here at Folkestone. Interestingly, with the restrictions on the accounts that we've had to log on through some technical wizardry, we're rebroadcasting this whole event through our own Zoom channels to all of the boys wherever they are, some of whom are doing public order down at Lid Village, some of whom are on the ranges, and support can be finishing off their carders. But 1RGR is in good health. The sun is shining. We're looking forward to getting to Kosovo on Opelgin as a battalion. And from me and all of the soldiers and officers here at 1RGR, a very happy 27th birthday to you all.
Colonel RGR Sahab, Colonel BG Sahab, Sampurna Sahabharu ani Bhaiharu, 1RGR attached service personnel has managed to raise 3 different charities. Corporal Om Prakash Guru from QM department raised 1,011 pounds by doing sewing charity. Thank you. The next one is Sergeant Dhaniram Gale from catering department raised 200 pounds by doing cake competition. Thank you, Sergeant Dhaniram. Finally, service from 1RGR, all the way from down service soldiers, we managed to raise 6,845 pounds and 48 cents. Dhanyabad and happy 27th birthday to everyone.
Shabash 1RGR, fantastic fundraising.
Colonel BG, Colonel RGR, good evening here in Brunei. You join me in the commentary box of the Krishna Dura Cup that's being fought out valiantly between the junior NCOs and the young riflemen. Unfortunately, the officers lost this morning against the Sergeant's Mess, but we did our best. This year we celebrate 73 new riflemen joining us. We've delivered on Exercise Kukri Defender. We've delivered all on our commitments to the Bruneians. We pushed the bilateral relationship yet a little further. We look forward to quarantine restrictions maybe alleviating, going out to Australia in the next couple of months on Pacific Kukri. Again, pushing defence engagement a little stage further, continuing all the good work that's gone before me. Battalion morale is as expected, but today of all days, we're enjoying some time here in Brunei. I'm now going to pass over to my Gurkha Major to wish you all a very happy RGR birthday.
Colonel RGR Sahab, Colonel BG Sahab, and Sampurna Sahabharu, I just would like to say on behalf of the 2RGR, Jai RGR 27th birthday. Thank you, sir.
3, 2, 1, Jai
Colonel RGR, Colonel Brigade of Gurkhas, CS Abaru, Ani Satyaru. Namaskar Nairobi Bada, Ani Jamadin ko Subakamana. Gai ko sal a company ekdam biastitio. Now I pass over to the deployed elements.
RGR ko Janmandin ko Subakamana. Jai RGR.
Adenia Colonel RGR Saheb, Colonel BG Saheb, Sampurna Saheb Haru, Ani Guruji Haru, Salam. Meranam Major Ricky Gayfaho, Ma Koreano Company Co Naya OC Saheb Ho, Ma Ekdam Bagya Mani Chu, Koreano Company Co OC Huna Powder. Tabai Harunai, Satai Saun RGR Janmadin ko lagi Suwa Kamana. Ani RGR Sangakam Gana ma Ekdam Utsahichu. Dhanyavad.
Kamal RGR Sab, Kamal BG Sab, Sampurna Sab Gujibaru. Korean company and family join me in wishing you all a very happy 27th RGR birthday. Since our inception, our flexibility, our will to win, and our desire to learn have been our defining characters, and we will continue to do so. Janmadin ko shubhakamana. Jai RGR.
Salam Sampurna RGR Parivar. Ami Hati Futu Team 2 Koreano Company Bara. Somalia Matau. Ekdam Ramro Talim Somali National Army Lai Din Daitau. RGR ko Sati Song Janmadin Shubhakamana. Jai RGR.
Namaskar, hot and wet and muggy namaskar from Pokhara. I thought it was pertinent to say from the home, from where it all starts, from where it all begins. 27 years ago today, Lieutenant Colonel Smart was doing my job and likely to a much higher standard than me, but he was halfway through his tour, and this was all 18 years before Colonel Cross, who celebrated his 96th birthday 2 weeks ago, brought recruiting from Paklihawa up here to Pokhara. So here we remain for the foreseeable future, and we continue to support both government of Nepal and the people of Nepal to put high quality recruits into Catterick. And with an eye on the future here in Nepal, we're preparing for our steady transition to possible online recruiting. As the pandemic rages on, we were left with no other choice this year. So we'll see how that goes, and maybe for the foreseeable future, us dragging ourselves into the technological 21st century, which I think none of us really saw coming. So we're working hard to put the next batch of 230 recruits into Catterick. I just thought I'd finish with a small vignette in a meeting I had with a Borneo veteran, Jogbir Rai from 10GR in Okaldunga recently. It sort of highlighted the intense pride that the service of a 96-year-old Gurkha rifleman, his pride still runs deep. I think the pride in all of us for serving in the RGR runs very deep, and long may it continue. So from all of us here in Nepal and Pokhara, happy birthday and Jai RGR.
Colonel RGR Sir, Ani Sobi. Hamro RGR Puriyarma, Namaste, good morning, good afternoon from Gurkha Company, Sitang. Here is from RMS Sandaspani. In terms of company, we are all here this morning to celebrate Hamro RGR birthday. Company is in very good shape and doing a really good job here in the RMS centers. The boys been outstanding, and their contribution to the RMS centers has been highly praised by all. We have one more month to push before we all go on summer leave. This summer, the majority member of the company will change over, and we are very much looking forward to welcoming all our new arrivals. I would also take the opportunity to thank you all, especially HQBG, 1RGR and 2RGR, for your support and your advice over this pandemic. And finally, on behalf of the company, I wish you all a happy RGR 27th birthday. Please enjoy the celebration, enjoy the day. Jai RGR.
Good morning, Colonel RGR Saib and all members. This is Hari Buramagar, an Afghan amputee veterans currently in a hotel quarantine at Heathrow Airport. One day Gurkha is always a Gurkha. I'm immensely proud to serving with the 1RGR over 15 years of my army service. Whenever we are, wherever we are, whatever we are doing, whether we are retired or serving, the British public and the public around the world knows us as a Gurkha. So it is very important to preserve 206 years of our history, upholding tradition, values, and ethos. We call it a Gurkha Kaida. Happy 27th birthday to Royal Gurkha Rifles, all members and the families around the world. Have a great celebration. Thank you for your service, and I wish you all the very best around the world. Jai Gurkha.
Colonel RGR Saab, Colonel Vijay Saab, Sampurna Sabaru and RGR members. It is my pleasure to announce that Gurkha Wing Mandale members and families are in very good health and flying the RGR flag high. On this special occasion, Gurkha Wing Mandale like to wish you a very happy 27th RGR birthday. Jai RGR! RGR!
Colonel RGR Saab, Deputy Colonel RGR Saab, serving अनि retire all commanding officer साहबहरु, गोर्खा मेजर साहबहरु, दाजुभाइ अनि दिदीबहिनीहरुलाई म ओसी गोर्खा कम्युनिटी ट्याब्लेट वार्म मिसरबाट सलाम अनि नमस्कार। अहिलेको यो करेन्ट सिचुएसनमा पनि हामी ट्याब्लेट कम्पनीले एसडब्ल्युएस अनि राइट विकास सम्पूर्ण कोर्सहरुमा हाम्रो मेन पावर अनि इक्विपमेन्ट सपोर्ट चाहिँ हामीले दिइरहेका छौं। हाम्रो सम्पूर्ण मेम्बर्स अनि हाम्रो families, we are all fit and fine. And finally, on behalf of our community tablet members, including our families, we wish you all happy 27th RGR birthday. Jai RGR!
Respected Colonel RGR Sahib, Colonel Vijay Sahib, all Sahibaru and fellow RGR members plus families, good morning and salam from Catherine. Thank you for this opportunity and good to see you all and connecting via virtual. On these special occasions, like other units and the unit reps, I would like to wish a very happy birthday to all members of Royal Gurkha Rifles. With this note, on behalf of the Babaji Company, here I am cutting RGR birthday cake to mark 27th RGR birthday.
Respected Colonel RGR Sahib, Colonel B Sahib, all senior Sahibaru and all, good morning from Gloucester. Firstly, on behalf of all RGR personnel in our support battalion, I would like to take this opportunity to thank all RGR channel for your all support throughout the year. All RGR personnel here in our support battalion and the families are in good spirit. Our boys are doing a fantastic job and we are doing our all to represent RGR in the best possible way. Sahibaru, due to the various commitment, we are celebrating our 27th RGR birthday only on 21st July this month. One quick update about our support battalion forthcoming event. As you all know, as part of Project Sherpa, our support battalion is going to be redesignated as Gurkha Ark Support Battalion, and the redesignation parade will take place on Monday, 5th July next week. And we are immensely proud and privileged to be part of this huge event. Now, without any further ado, all RGR personnels and families here in Gloucester, I'm wishing you all a very happy 27th RGR birthday.
Respected Colonel Raja Sahib, Colonel BG Sahib, all the senior Sahibaru, Gurujiharu, my dear Nambarizharu, and Abhayaru. A very good morning from this small sentry post in Maidstone. It's good to see you all today. सबभन्दा पहिला त म आरजीआरलाई बिग थ्याङ्क यू भन्न चाहन्छु मलाई आज फेरि यो वर्ष फेरि मौका दिनुभएकोमा बोल्नु. It's an honor and I'm really grateful. I'm really I must say I was a little nervous coming to this event. I felt like I was going to CEO's muster parade for some reason. Well, it is a kind of muster parade if you think about it, you know. But the good thing was that I didn't have to iron my uniform, I didn't have to polish my boots, and then I didn't have to, you know, march. So, you know, being CB is not a bad thing after all, I guess. But joking apart, I mean, I really miss being in the military. I miss you all guys. Anyway, I hope everyone is safe and sound wherever you are. On behalf of me, my family, and on behalf of all the injured personnel, I wish you all a very happy RGR birthday. Be safe. Jai RGR.
Hello, good morning, Sabaru, Gurjiharu, मेरो नम्बरहरू अनि सबै भाइहरू. First of all, happy 27 RGR birthday to all our brigade of RGR memberहरू. Thank you for updating all the event that we are doing in our battalion, and so that was great to know all the thing that we are doing in the RGR. I am, and I will do anything to maintain high standard of our battalion in whichever way I can. What do you call it? Great to see all the member, even though it is through Zoom, but it's always great to see. And thank you for inviting me to join the group. It is my honor, and I'll be very, very thankful to join our member every time in the future too. And stay strong and stay safe. Jai RGR.
General Saab, Satiru, Sabaru, on behalf of our regimental association, a very warm welcome to our amazing Gurkha family across the world on this very special day. I hope that this reaches you all, not just those on the screen, but those who will be listening later, in good health and spirits in what has been an extraordinary year. I very much hope that for the majority of you, life is beginning to get back to normal and families can be together. We're very aware that we have lost members of our family during this pandemic, and our thoughts and our prayers are with you, and we are particularly following the events in Nepal at the moment. Now, in spite of the pandemic restrictions, we've been able to remember our amazing ancestors who forged the name of the Gurkhas with dignity and pride, particularly during the 75th anniversaries of victory in Europe and victory in Japan. And of course, our annual Armistice Day on the 11th of November. We will never forget those who forged our reputation. And we are all proud of our current soldiers who continue to promote and build and enhance the name of the Gurkha soldier. Now, as an association, we haven't been able to meet physically so far, but we look forward to doing that once all of the restrictions are lifted. And I'm delighted to have seen people connecting on social media and on Zoom and on WhatsApp, and keeping that amazing family spirit together. So my very warmest wishes to all of you, and happy birthday to the RGR. Jai RGR.
Good morning. Namaste. Colonel BG, Colonel of the regiment, all commanding officers, Gurkha majors, and the whole member of the RGR. This is RGR Regimental Association, Nepal, a Vice Chairman, Captain Retired Chitrabadur Rai. First of all, on behalf of the Chairman, Major Hitman Gurung, and all members of the associations, would like to say happy 27th birthday of the RGR. And we are very, very proud of RGR in 27 years, whatever you are doing. So हामीलाई एकदम गौरव महसुस भएको छ। हामीले जति पनि RGR ले काम कुरोहरू गरिरहनु भएको छ, त्यो सुनेर हामीलाई धेरै धेरै गौरव लागेको छ। र भविष्यमा पनि RGR को भविष्य यस्तै उज्जवल हुँदै जाओस् भन्ने शुभकामनाको सहित जय RGR भन्नु पर्यो।
A big namaste to all my fellow members of the Royal Gurkha Rifles. Happy 27th birthday from somebody that was there at the very start. I think the regiment has done amazing things ever since its formation in 1994, and we've got a lot to be proud of. I want to wish you all and your families a really great day, and more importantly, I hope you all have a fantastic year ahead. Wishing you all the best. Jai RGR.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, Colonel RGR Sahib, Deputy Colonel RGR Sahib, and entire RGR family. On behalf of Regimental Headquarters, happy 27th birthday, Jai RGR. Jai RGR. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, RGR. Happy birthday, RGR. Happy birthday.
सम्पूर्ण RGR को दाजुभाइहरू धेरै धन्यवाद यो प्रोग्रामको लागि यो कार्यक्रम। बेल साहब, thank you for organizing. एकदम रमाइलो भयो अनि खुसी लाग्यो सबैलाई भेट्ने। UK को युनिट्सहरू, ब्रुनाई टु RGR, नेपाल पनि चुचु सब धेरै धन्यवाद तपाईको प्रोग्रामको लागि अनि हिटमन साहबलाई हाम्रो सलाम। Everybody have a great day. Good luck in the football for both teams in Tuka Lions, and I look forward to seeing you all soon. Jai RGR.
Jai RGR.